Good morning. I am welcoming my channel Daksh Electrical Engineering and the Civil Service Academy, and today we are going to discuss 22 August 2021 the Hindu based current affairs MCQ for upcoming UPSC exam and the other government exam. Okay. So my first question is that Somnath temple dedicated to which god? Option A is the Lord of Moon, option B is the Vishnu, option C is the Ganga, and option D is Indra. So here option A is the right option. Somnath temple dedicated to Lord of the Moon, that is the Shiva. Okay. So option A is the right choice. Okay, here option A is the right choice. Next one is that here I am also discussing this question in Hindi format also. So those who want to listen or watch in the Hindi medium, so also open my channel and watch this video. Okay. So and second question is that first Jyotirlinga related to which place? Somnath, Badrinath, Mahakal, and Omkareshwar. It's option A. It's Somnath. Next question is that first time attack on the Somnath temple in 1026 AD by whom? Here Mahmud Ghazni, Mahmud Ghori, Ibrahim Lodi, and Babur. So here option A is the right option. Mahmud Ghazni the first time attack on the Somnath temple for the looting purposes and the collecting of the gold. So option A is the right option. Next question is that by whom established the Jyotirlinga in the Somnath temple and also first president of India. So here this point directly clear that it's Rajendra Prasad, first president of India, and that time I think certain differences between Jawaharlal Nehru and Dr. Rajendra Prasad because that time India independence it's I think time is 1951 1952 and Somnath temple is established and after renovation and the call for Dr. Rajendra Prasad for opening and due to that on the basis of the secular principle of the constitution Jawaharlal Nehru envied but Dr. Rajendra Prasad had gone and do their job. Okay, so option here option D is the right choice. Option D is the right choice. Somnath temple built in which style? It's a Chalukya style, it's a Dravida style, it's a Besar style, or it's a Nagara style. So Nagara style in the North India, Besar style is the Southwest India, and the Dravida style in the South India, and the Chalukya style is in Northwest India. So option A is the right choice here. Option A is the right option. Region of the terror relates to the French Revolution. That time actually certain types of the atrocity happen on the people of the French people and the cutting by the guillotine that is a machine that put the head of these people and directly down and cut. So and this time in French lots of things happen if you want to know, then watch world history video. Anybody that's taught on this YouTube and other, and even at you can read NCRT basic book. It's 12. Then you know what is the region of terror. Recently, Modi ji inaugurate in the certain things in the Somnath temple, and I think told that statement region of terror is not too long. Okay, so and it's dedicated to Taliban because Taliban is today established their rule on the basis of the terror in Afghanistan, and people suffer a lots of difficulty. Even at most of the time, you have know about that anything happen, then child and the elderly age and the woman most suffering women in the world, and this thing happen same way in the Afghanistan. So option A here, option A is the right choice. Terror of the alpha, beta, gamma, and delta relates to. It's I think this types of question always asks UPSC and state PSC. So terror of alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. So if you read this statement, then you cannot find the what is the correct option. But if you go through the option, then you find it: corona outbreak, okay, cancer outbreak, polio outbreak, and the swine flu. So alpha, beta, gamma, and delta are the variant of the corona, different types of the corona according to mutation and the and developing their antibody. So it's a corona outbreak related. Option A is the right option here. It's related to corona outbreak. So next question is that which body provides the hallmark? Recently, Goldsmiths is going to strike because they don't want to go hallmark on their gold, and due to that, because their profit is less, and the this actually government of India want to right way to trading community and that way help to the improving the India condition. So government put forth the hallmark scheme, and it's a mandatory. All the jewelers that sold their jewelry according to the hallmark, and it's define the purity of the gold. But jeweler community don't want to these things because their profit margin is less here. So actually this is the news. So so we are going to read the option and eliminate this. It's a Bureau of the Indian Standards. Niti Aayog never happened, and Ministry of the Commerce and Industries are not a correct choice, and none of the above. So option A is here. Option A is the right choice. In 1851, for which regions Geological Survey of India set up? So Geological Survey of India set up in 1851. Basically, that time required a coal. Okay, required a coal for running industries and the railway. So that time, 1851 Geological Survey of India established by the British government for searching of the coal. Okay, so option A is the right option, not mineral, not gold, and not silver. Silver. Okay, so option A is the here right option. Next question is that actually this question is coming in the UPSC 2020, and this is a very I think diverse question. And the upcoming technology, all question related, option is the right. So you can't miss these types of the question in exam. Consider the following statement, but be carefully after reading the statement. Final conclusion very carefully, otherwise you lose the 2 by 3rd marks. Spraying pesticide on the crop field, and inspecting the craters of the active volcano, collecting the breath samples from the spouting wells for DNA analysis. At present level of the technology, which of the above activity can be successfully carried out by the drones? So here I think all three are the correct option, because drones are able to do all three types of the job. So A, B, and C. Sorry, 1, 2, and 3. All three are the correct. So today, option D is here right. Today, thanks for watching, and I am saying that please like, share, and subscribe to appreciate me to provide good types of the question and the good way discuss for you. Thank you.